I just got a call from someone claiming to be from the California Department of Real Estate.
Uh-oh, what did they want?
They said there was a problem with one of my transactions and that if I don't send money right away, my license could be revoked.
That's a huge red flag. The DRE is warning licensees about scammers who are impersonating DRE employees.
They may claim there's a commission dispute, threaten disciplinary actions, or press you to send money right away.
And what if they ask for cash, a wire transfer only, or communication by text only?
Definitely a red flag.
Here's the key thing to remember.
The DRE's official contact is always by letter, not by phone, text, or email.
If you're ever unsure, don't respond to the caller.
Instead, verify the information directly from the DRE at dre.ca.gov.
Stay alert.
Protect your license. And
Don't let scammers catch you off guard.